What did someone say? No, it wasn't a something. I've never heard of you got Farrah. He's just sneaking around behind.
Double wing. Double wing.
Anyone else get bit?
No, you can't wink. He's just no, it's the double wing. He did that last time.
I was just, oh, it was in his
Birthday.